Today at Mullin Machinery we have a closing model 1250 Magnum, new in 1998, swings 25 inches over the ways, 88 inches between centers, 15 3/8 of an inch over the cross slide, 36 inches in the gap. It's a D111 spindle with a 4 9/16 spindle hole, inch metric threading, Morse taper number 6 tailstock with a big live center in it in very good shape, large bore roller bearing steady rest, medium bore roller bearing steady rest, original block tool post with 4 holders, Newall digital readout, and the taper attachment, the bait clamp for the taper attachment's in the back, disconnected at the moment. This machine only had a half backsplash. It probably makes sense to raise it up a little bit with a piece of sheet metal, but that's what came with them new. Machine is all original paint. Has a large 3-jaw chuck with reversing top jaws. Also comes with a 4-jaw chuck that's laying on the side. The ways are in super shape. Don't feel any wear on them. The feed charts are all very readable. Like I said, all original paint. There's your big 4 9/16 spindle hole. The machine is currently wired for 230 volt. Not 100% sure that you can rewire it for 460. I haven't dug into it too much, but just at a glance, the coolant pump at least looked like it was single voltage only. So we left it at 230. I'm going to run it for you right now. I believe I have it on 400 RPM. Rapids on it. There's your carriage speed. There's your rapids. See the digital readout carrying. Feeding back. There's your rapids. Cross feed. Rapid. Screws are fairly tight. Low speed, unlocks the shut. This is 25 RPM. Speeding so slow you can barely see the handle moving. Pick it up a bit on the speed. This is 630 RPM. Machine of this size, it's kind of moving. There you go. Rapidly feeding toward the head. So the digital readout working. Let's stay with the start. There's your in feed. The threading we tried, it's a bit of a pain in the neck to shift it right now in the video, but the threading works. The half nuts engaged just fine. Like I said, this is all original paint. The machine was originally mounted on a ship. It's standard voltage, but it was used on a work barge. So how much use could really be on it? fairly clean machine. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.